Hey everyone, I'm back with my Sprinter and my Sprinter issues. This time we are replacing this driver's side vent. I'll work it out as I go how to actually get to it without breaking many things. So hopefully you'll see how I do it and you'll see where the screws are and you can do it yourself on your car. Thanks for watching. Okay. I think this face, but be careful not to break it. Okay. All right. Okay, we got some stuff here. Okay. Okay, now we can see two screws for this. Okay, they are T25. Okay, two screws. Now you should be able to remove this. Okay, that was easy. And we see our vent, two screws. It's okay. Something's holding it. I don't know what. Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. Here I took off wrong screw. There is one below this, so we'll have to move this bit. All right. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, this has to come off as well. this can move a bit. There is one here. One here. Let's do this one too. Okay. Okay, so without removing this, actually I can a bit. I'll try with my screwdriver to undo this screw. It's a bit hard because this whole top bit should come off. Okay. So I lift this with one hand and okay, that screw is out and this thing comes out. Simple as that. New one. Okay. It's in. Okay, I'll try. Okay, I've squeezed that screw through, so I do not have to take all this thing. Just make it tight, that's it. One more here. And this vent is ready to okay, this is opening and closing the... Okay, there you go. Only difference I can see here, my one has a silver bit, this one does not have, but does not matter. So we just do everything back in the same order. Okay, this one's not sitting properly. Wow. Okay, just make sure it sits properly in its position. Okay.
That's not too tiny. You like cutting? But I hate cutting. No, I hate cutting. I need to put this going to you. You gonna know you cut. Something could grow up.
Okay.
Everything could grow up.
Okay. Okay, this one, see, it's got like a hooks. Okay, this one. So what you do with this one, you put it in a spot and then you push it down. So that's how this top bit, that's how this top bit gets locked in. And then we just do 2 screws. Okay, and this just goes into a position with all the clips. There you go. So this was probably 10 minutes job. I did it myself. I saved probably $200. I'm just guessing, but I don't know. Looks much better. So there you go. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Thanks for watching.